Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the basics: Node, JS editor, and Git. Now start. Create a project folder, run npm in it, and add a gitignore. Once done, install an SDK or client for your chosen AI provider and save your API key to an env file. You should scaffold a minimal frontend and backend, one HTML page, and an express route. This gets you running quickly. Make sure to commit incremental changes so you can revert if an integration breaks. You now implement the core. Create a secure backend endpoint that receives user input, validates it, and forwards requests to the AI API using the SDK. Once the endpoint is working, connect your frontend form with Fetch or Axios and show loading states. Also add streaming or chunked responses if replies are large. This improves UX. While coding, log sanitized payloads and guard against injection. If responses are slow, implement request timeouts and retries to keep the finalize by hardening the system. Add input length limits, rate limiting, and monitor token usage and latency in production. Once done, polish prompts with examples and system instructions to improve accuracy and store user feedback for iteration. Deploy behind HTTPS and rotate keys periodically. If something breaks, first check server logs and API quota or token errors. Next, inspect network calls and sanitized payloads. That single troubleshooting step, reviewing logs and token usage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.